I would like to summarize this. In this webinar, now you know many things that you may not know before, and let's review. First of all, I'm sure that you now understand better that scalp is a unique skin with a very fine balanced ecosystem. Everything that you put on the scalp hair will interfere with the ecosystem, including shampoos, conditioners, and water. So everything has to be measured in order to rebalance the ecosystem. Once you get out of the balance, now you can start to expect to see diseases such as dandruff. Now, dandruff is a disease require an OTC or RX solution, not just a cosmetic solution. Of course, these solutions are very effective, but the purpose of this solution is to kill the fungi that causing the problem, not to balance, for example, the over exhaustion of fatty acid, sebum. No, this is not the purpose of OTC active. There are other materials that we could use in order to balance the release of sebum. You also learned today about HydroSal. HydroSal is a unique technology. It's made out of submicron spheres, and the purpose of this is to use it on large surfaces such as hair and scalp. And the function of this is the ability to adhere. And once the technology allows the active ingredients to adhere, then first of all, they can be there for longer and they can slowly release. And this is a nice way to extend the benefit over longer time. You also learned that HydroSal is very easy to formulate. It's a water base. It doesn't carry any specific charge, so it can be easily compatible with both anionic and cationic thickeners. Can be used in shampoo, conditioners, and so on. And the major feature, which I didn't speak much about in this, but I will talk about this in the future, HydroSal enables to take materials with low solubility in water and make them disperse in water. So one can formulate new product without the use of alcohol or harsh surfactant. And by doing so, make products that are good for consumer with sensitive skin. HydroSal Healthy Scalp is a technology which encapsulates salicylic acid. As an acid, salicylic acid can disturb the pH of the scalp. However, if it releases in small quantities over a longer period of time, there is a good chance that the scalp will be able to balance the interference. So the damage will not be so critical. So what a low dosage of salicylic acid can do, it can definitely handle the symptom. It can accelerate the release of the separation of the top layer of the scalp, the dandruff, and it can reduce a little bit the itchiness. So HydroSal Healthy Scalp can you use in order to keep the balance in place. Then HydroSal Scalp Nourishing is a technology that should be used even when you don't have dandruff or any other symptoms. It's supporting the healthy ecosystem. It's a treatment for daily use, not for special cases like HydroSal Healthy Scalp, then when you want to handle dandruff and so on. So this is what you know today, and I hope this will help you to get better product and improve people's quality of life.